Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Windows 365 easy tutorial step by step clearly. In the address bar, type in windows365.microsoft.com and hit enter. This will take you to the Windows 365 homepage. Look for the option that says Get Started or Sign In. If prompted, sign in with your Microsoft account credentials. After signing in, you will see various subscription options available. Review the different plans to find one that suits your needs. You will be directed to a page detailing the features of the selected plan. Take a moment to read through the information provided. Once you're ready, click on the Buy Now or Start Free Trial button. You may be asked to provide additional information, such as payment details. Fill in the required information carefully, ensuring accuracy. After entering your payment details, review your order summary. If everything looks good, click on the Confirm Purchase or Checkout button. You may receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Once the process is complete, you will be directed to your Windows 365 dashboard. From there, you can start configuring your new Windows 365 environment. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your virtual desktop. Enjoy your new Windows 365 subscription and all its features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.